In this video, I'm going to show you the magic that's inside this case, which is one of the brand new Guitarras Romero. Although this is not a guitar, this is a ukulele. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this Moon Spruce Ziricote. You got to stick around for this one. Welcome to You Like the Pros. I am Terry Carter, and you know, before we get into this, this is a whole separate thing, but we give away an ukulele every single month right here on my channel. Just make sure to subscribe to hear You Like the Pros, hit that bell notification, and then click that link below to go sign up. That's right, go sign up, and you're automatically entered to win potentially to win a ukulele every single month. All right, I'm very excited. I'm very proud and thankful that Pepe, the one and only Pepe Romero Jr., the best guitar ukulele builder in the world, has decided to allow our store, the #1 store online, store.youcollectthepros.com, carry the Guitarras Romero line. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that, but this is one of them. This is absolutely stunning. This is the Moon Spruce with the Ziricote sides and back with the French polish. Absolutely stunning. We're going to go through everything here on this video. Let me do a little playing right now, and then we'll dive into the specs and everything you need to know about this and why you need to get one of these in your collection. All right. As you can tell, I'm actually getting ready for a Christmas song. So that's a perfect tune for a little jazzy, but I really wanted you to hear the magic of this. All right, so what do you think so far? Drop a comment below just based off the look and sound of this. So what is the Guitarras Romero? Let me break this down for you. All right, so these are designed by the one and only Pepe Romero, okay? But what he did, if you talk to Wolfgang Jellinghaus, all right, a really great German builder. He's got a small team, and they are producing guitars, as well as some ukuleles. And these are all handmade, French polished, by the way. Amazing wood, amazing craftsmanship. So Wolfgang and his team did a fantastic job. They're only producing a handful every single year of not only the guitars, but the ukulele. And I'm so excited that I did get some of them of the first batch here at store.youcollectthepros.com. All right, so let's look at it. We got the Moon Spruce, very, very special Moon Spruce, right? Comes from a specific part of, Germany, Swiss Alps, okay? And it's just something about when they harvest the wood and how they let it dry. It's just the whole process, but absolutely gorgeous Moon Spruce. Really, really nice rope inlay around the sides and the rosette. Beautiful flame maple binding. Solid Ziricote sides, absolutely gorgeous, and the back, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Ziricote is a really pretty looking wood. It's a really great sounding wood, especially when it's paired with the spruce. You get a really nice crisp sound, really nice projection, but yet still really lush and full. Sound on it. Of course, this has a Pepe Romero lower G smooth wound strings on this. So this is a tenor size. Now this is the first batch. This is number 57, right? Number 57 of the entire Guitarras creation line, or the creations, Guitarras Romero line. Okay, so that's guitars, that's ukulele, that's everything. It does have the bridge pinned on this one. I think the next batch is going to go through the body like the Pepe stuff does, but this one does have the bridge pins. Absolutely stunning French polish. All right, so this is a really special way of putting a finish on. It's with shellac. It's a really long process because they got to put it on by hand, let it dry, put it on by hand, dry, over and over and over and over. It's really a labor of love of why Pepe does this. He does this on his homemade guitars, ukuleles, and also on these Guitarras Romero line. So why? Why would you do that? Why would you spend so much time on just the finish? It's because of the sound, all right? Just because of the the sound just really lets that wood resonate. Absolutely stunning. All right, you got the nice mahogany neck. It's got the French polish on there as well. You got the open gear tuners, really nice gear tuners. You got the Romero headstocks plate here, and it looks like that's probably like a Ziricote head plate on there. You got the 1.5 inch nut width, just slightly under 17 inches. Now, if you look at this, it looks like the body is a little smaller than a normal tenor, although it looks like it has a nice wide bow. So 26, what is that? 26.25 overall inches. Now, what I like about this, if you look at this, it's beveled right here. It's got a nice bevel here. Let me see if you can see a nice bevel here. You got about 2 3 inches here, and it tapers down to about 2.5 inches. So absolutely stunning. I'm really honored to have these in my store. What do you think? Drop that comment below. Let me do a little finger picking of something. Of course, you got the ebony bridge as hell. As hell? Did I say as well? All right, it's early morning here. But anyway, these also come with a really nice case. Let me grab them. All right, so they do come with this really nice case as well that your ukulele goes into. My impression is, so obviously the handmade by Pepe himself ukuleles are absolutely incredible. Here's what I know though. He's only one person. He only made about 5 last year. We had 3 of them at store.ukulelepros.com. They go in a heartbeat. So he's just not able to make that many because he's still making his guitars. He's only one person. So then he has his Romero Creations line. Okay, that's his imported line from Vietnam. Those are absolutely phenomenal as well. So this is that instrument that's in between. Okay, so it's hard to get the Pepe customs, plus they're getting up in price every single time I get them. They're more and more expensive. And the Romero's Creations lines, and then this one fits right in the middle. This is absolutely stunning. This is more closely to his customs than the Romero's Creations as far as quality, sound, craftsmanship. It's absolutely stunning. So Guitarras Romero line, this one is number 57 here that's in this video. This is Moon Spruce and the Ziricote sides and back. Absolutely stunning. Thanks, Pepe. Great job. And again, store.ukulelepros.com for this. If you like anything I did here, maybe something, a chord, something I did that you like, that's where ukulelepros.com comes in. We have over 20 courses, fantastic platinum membership, and a worldwide community. So check that out as well. Hey, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Clicking that link below to go sign up for the free ukulele giveaway every single month. And yeah, that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here because now I got to go and do some more recording. So, all right, have a good one, and we'll see you later.